Slime Master! Hey guys, what's going on? Today I am here with my friend, me, and my brother.
Wait.
Yeah. And my brother here, me. And today we are doing the slime! So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be making slime.
We're going to make gold glitter on this one.
My beautiful friend here is going to teach us how to make slime.
Yay!
So let's get started with the video.
Yay. So first what you need is you need some PVA glue. So we're just going to take a little bit. I think I'm going to use this type because this is...
Yeah, same. I don't really want to use this one.
So we're going to put in any desired amount. I wouldn't put too much because we need some for the next slime video. Freddie, do you want to use this one because there's more in it? Okay. So put just about this much.
So what to fill the bottom, basically.
Okay. You in there?
No, not like that.
Oh, I'll just snap that.
Is that enough? Is that enough?
A bit more. Yeah, that should be enough. It's just a bit.
So I'm just going to go up to the camera and show them what we've got first. So we've got the PVA glue right here into the bowl so you can't see the bottom.
So I'll put it in for you.
Wait, but it's got holes here.
There we go. That's enough.
It has holes.
Yeah, but it won't. It won't leak because.
Okay, guys. So we've done the PVA glue. Now what's next?
My favourite part.
Shaving cream.
So you push this bottom bit.
Yeah, so just like a whip.
And now you just start mixing when you get it in. That's enough, that's enough. You mix the two together.
Like that, guys.
Look, it's a fluffy cloud.
Ready, that's enough. And then you get your spoon.
Messy, you put so much.
Now you just mix it.
Yep. Now you choose the colour. Wait, what type of colour are we doing? Yellow? Yellow and gold? Or any design?
What are you saying? I was going to make purple.
No, you were the yellow and gold. You were the yellow one. I was the purple. So, guys, I think that's enough.
Wait, let Freddie stop now. Wait, you need to get the sides, Fred. Like all around here, there's like so much glue there still.
So now we're going to use some yellow food colouring. Focus, camera, focus.
That's enough, Fred. That's enough. Let's get. I just wait.
I need to wait for the. It's not focusing.
No, it will be focused when it shows.
It's yellow food dye, even if you guys can't see that. You guys ready?
Yeah.
Right. So this is the hard part. You cannot put too much in.
But you can because it's going to give more colour.
No, you don't. No, because once you more play with it, the colour comes more in. So you put, watch guys, watch. Just that much. Oh, I put way too much in. You saw the first bit I put in, that much. And if you need it a little more. I put way too much in. Mine's going to be orange.
Try yours.
Yeah. Do you want me to do it? Because I can do it. Yeah, that's it. I can do it. It's just like. Right. That's enough. It's just going to be orange. My colour is going to be a bit too strong. Look, mine's going orange. So you just want to keep on mixing this in. You want no white part.
I'm just going to go over there. So this is what it looks like so far, guys. So what you do is just go like that.
This is a sunshine yellow kind of colour.
Oh, mine's actually looking like good. Oh, what's up? Oh, I need glue.
What was that?
The glue.
Oh, that.
Oh, mine's
I actually kind of like my colour.
Can I have more? Mine's a bit like dull. Okay.
I don't know if that's
Do you want more or do you like that colour?
No.
Try that. But when it comes to the colour blue, you want to put quite a lot in.
Because then you give it more texture.
Right. So now we are going to put in the this in. Just make sure it has boric acid and sodium in it. If it doesn't, you might need bicarbonate of soda. So we're going to put just a little bit of this. And if it doesn't start to form, then put in your bicarbonate of soda. Which, no, it's not starting to form, so we're going to put in some bicarbonate.
Okay, Freddie, I'll do yours.
Can't Freddie do his own more?
no.
Okay. Now do we mix it?
Yeah.
Just mix it for a little round.
If it doesn't seem to work, then put in your bicarbonate of soda. Which for us,
That's actually looking kind of good.
no. Look, it's not forming.
Oh, do I need more solution, do you think?
No.
I've got a little
Because it doesn't work. 'Cause we need bicarbonate of soda.
And subscribe to Cookies with me and her gaming channel, the Game Cookie, and subscribe to my new channel, Gamer Cupcake. So how much do you put in it? Try a bit.
Quite a lot.
Will that do? Or more?
Probably more.
Wait, and we'll do it.
I wonder if you put in a lot. Will it work? No, I'm going to put in a lot of this because I just put in way too much.
Oh wait, is that actually kind of forming it? No.
No, that is not
I'm not forming it.
Is that?
No, Fred, you need to whisk it way more. You've still got shaving cream on the edge. Okay, I need to add more solution. That didn't work. I'll just put it as a fail.
Yeah. Now you need to put in your glitter. Yeah.
You need to put your hands in.
Yeah, but it's not going to work. It's if it starts forming, you put your hands in.
Should we add a bit more shaving cream or some glue just in case it's not like.
I'll go tell them.
I don't know.
Okay, guys, I'm not sure if this is actually working. I think we bought the wrong.
We
Yeah.
did. We brought the wrong contact station. But it's a pretty good.
Yeah,
The last time we can go buy some.
What if we do it?
No, like today.
Mine's actually getting pretty hard to whisk.
I don't know.
Look, no, try and whisk mine. See if it's like getting a bit hard.
No. Oh my god, mine's getting bubbles to it. Look.
I don't know if that's done.
No, Freddie, it's not working. You know that. Guys, I don't know if this is a fail or we just haven't done something right.
No, we've done everything. No, it isn't. It's like a fail and not a fail.
Yeah.
But the reason it's a fail is because we didn't get the right one because we didn't have enough money. So, yeah. That's why. Ow!
Can't put my finger in there.
You see nothing.
Okay, that feels nothing like. Wait.
Oh.
Feels like.
You should
Mine.
What? This is kind of working.
That's working. What?
I'm gonna stuck that in there.
I had a bubble. Look.
No.
Yeah, I have loads of bubbles.
Wait, let me feel Freddy's. Oh my god, feel his.
Oh. My whole feeling.
That's not slime, but that's
Starting to
form. What did you put in it?
I put a little bit more of the soda and I gave him a tiny bit of contact solution. Maybe I'll put more in. Maybe I need to put more here and then I need to get...
Well, my health booming.
Sorry. Guys, I don't know. Oh, we have to end it because it only goes up to the max of 10 minutes. Bye, guys. We have to go. This was such a fail. We have to go. Bye.